So starting off with a basic simple band, we are gonna do some traditional leg abductors. So you can either choose to do walking out abductors, meaning you go like this, side to side, or you can go forward, or you can do leg abductors but staying in one position. So today I'm gonna have you do these ones because they honestly feel the best for me. Now going straight into kickbacks, you're gonna find something to hold on to and then kick your leg out behind you, just like so. For these ones, if you wanna add difficulty, you can move the band down to your ankle. And then moving into deadlifts, you're gonna take this band, put it beneath your feet, and then just do a typical deadlift motion. Now, obviously with all of these, the thickness of the band is gonna make the difficulty harder or easier. So behind me, you can see we have different levels of thickness. Like this one here is really thin. I'm using it for demonstration purposes, but ideally you would want to get a few different sizes. So this one's heavy, has 45 to 50 pounds of resistance to it, which is pretty good. And then a very simple, easy one is just these little pull parts right above your head. Feel that really good resistance in your triceps and also a little bit in your shoulders. And last but not least, we're going to do a row. So take your band, wrap it on something, lean over, and just do that row, pulling that hand all the way back, leading with your elbow. Okay guys, that concludes our banded only workout for today. Save it and try it out when you're in a pickle and you just need to get a little motion in your body, or if you just don't have equipment. So try it out, like, comment, and subscribe.